In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoho to your desktop. We'll walk through how to create a quick desktop shortcut so you can open Zoho just like a regular app, without having to type in the website every time. This will only take a few minutes, and once it's set up, accessing your Zoho apps will be much faster and more convenient. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This could be Chrome, Edge, or any modern browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in zoho.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Zoho homepage. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Access Your Apps. It's usually near the top of the page, and it's Zoho's way of letting you jump straight into the applications linked to your account. Go ahead and click that. If you're not already signed in, your browser may ask you to log into your Zoho account at this point. Just enter your usual login details and continue. After you're on the Zoho apps page, we're going to create the desktop shortcut from your browser. Move your mouse to the top right corner of the browser window and click on the three dots. This is the browser's main menu, and it's where you'll find options related to tools, settings, and more. In that menu, look for options related to casting, saving, or sharing the page. In many browsers, this section also includes tools for installing or creating shortcuts to web apps. From here, you should see an option that says something like Create Shortcut or Install App. Go ahead and click on Create Shortcut. A small window or pop-up will appear with some on-screen prompts. This is where you can confirm the name of the shortcut and how you want it to behave. Usually the default name will be something like Zoho, which is fine, but you can adjust it if you prefer a different label. In some browsers, you might also see an option to open the shortcut in a separate window, which can make it feel more like a native desktop app. Once you've reviewed the options, click the button to confirm and create the shortcut. Your computer will add a new icon to your desktop. From now on, whenever you want to access Zoho, just double-click that desktop icon and you'll go straight to your Zoho apps page.